Hey, welcome back to day 6 of Money Attraction Challenge. My name is Mitesh Khatri. This is
Indu Khatri.
And we are law of attraction coaches and national bestselling authors of our book, The Law of Attraction. In this challenge, you're going to learn how to attract more and more money in your life. So if you're meeting me here for the first time today, make sure that you go back and complete all the earlier five videos.
Challenges.
5 challenges are there. The links are in the description below this video. Those of you who are continuing, let's begin our journey today. Let's begin our challenge today of attracting more money in your life with day 6. Yes, Indu.
Yes, so day 6. Day 6 is very, very important. Confronting. So you need to today write down 108 reasons.
Minimum.
Minimum. अब हमने benchmark
हमारा सब
बना
कुछ
दिया.
minimum है 108.
108 times minimum. 108 reasons to say sorry to money. For example, I'm sorry, money. I treated you not respectfully.
I'm sorry I did not save you.
I did not save you. I did not utilize you properly. I did not keep you properly. Maybe I lost. I'm sorry for losing you. I'm sorry for not investing you properly. I'm sorry for saying मैं पैसे के लिए काम नहीं करता. I'm sorry for saying पैसा मैटर नहीं करता मेरे लिए. और I'm sorry for saying पैसा सब कुछ नहीं होता है लाइफ में और भी बहुत कुछ होता है. Something on those lines. So I'm sorry for disrespecting you. Say I'm sorry to money for all these things. Write down 108 reasons minimum to say sorry to money.
Think of it as talking to a person. You have a relationship with money, and like I have a relationship with Indu. If Indu comes in the room and I say to Indu, Indu मुझे खाना खाना है लेकिन तेरे लिए खाना नहीं खाना है, मुझे अपने लिए खाना खाना है. How will she feel? She'll feel very bad. But this is what we do with money many times.
Exactly.
We treat money with disrespect. We say मैं पैसे के लिए काम नहीं करता. I don't work for money. We want us to recognize and write down all those areas where you need to apologize to money. Think of money like a person. You can even go back to that exercise on day 2. You remember we did this exercise of writing down all the feelings, thoughts, beliefs, and actions about money. You'll find a lot of negativity in that page.
In that page.
Use that and write down all the reasons to say sorry to money. So I'll give you an example. There was once upon a time I bought a machine at home. कुछ किया नहीं मैंने उसका. But it was a very expensive machine, 1.5 lakh rupee machine. It took me so much time to bring it all the way from Germany. But I didn't really use it. So I'm going to write down, I'm sorry money, I wasted money on buying this particular machine and never respected it, never utilized it.
बहुत बार हम ऐसे बोल जाते हैं कि मेरे को पैसे की जरूरत नहीं है, मुझे जितना चाहिए उतना ही चाहिए. Look at it this way. This is a person who is in your life. Now you are saying मुझे तेरी जरूरत नहीं है. अब आप सोचो आपको कैसा लगेगा अगर आपको कोई बोलता है कि मुझे आपकी जरूरत नहीं है तो आपको कैसा लगेगा. मनी को भी वैसा ही लगता है जब आप मनी को बोलते हो कि मुझे आपकी जरूरत नहीं है.
Beautiful. Think of it this way. If Indu is angry with me, one of the best ways to manao a girl, most people think is a diamond ring. That is also there, but that's not the only thing.
Yeah.
One of the best things to always pacify someone whom you really love is just go and say, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. And the moment you say sorry, it brings that emotion of humbleness, humility. And that's what the person loves about you.
And
So-
that's what money loves about you.
That's what money loves about you. You'll observe that some of the billionaires in the world are very humble by nature. So we are developing that frequency within us by actually saying sorry to money for all those reasons that we may have ill-treated money, not utilized money properly, not spoken to money properly, not spoken about money properly, not given to money, not received money. Sometimes we receive money and we disrespect.
Yeah.
राइट कि मुझे इसने क्यों पैसा दिया, इसको क्या लगता है मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है,
हाँ.
क्या सोच के मुझे पैसा दिया
अरे
इसने.
हाँ, seriously.
Right?
Yeah, that's
So
true.
I'm sorry money, I didn't receive you with love so many times. When again I'm
Why do
repeating,
you always talk about money?
why do you always talk about money, right? कि why do these coaches sell all the time? हमारे बारे में भी बोलते हैं. So really start being comfortable. You see right now how comfortable I talk about selling courses. I don't mind people judging me for selling my courses. I'll tell you why. I am very comfortable that I sell. So because of that, what happens? I don't mind when people
Why,
judge us. हमको नहीं फर्क पड़ता. If we disrespect ourselves for selling, if we have disrespect for money, then when somebody else judges us for money, हमको बुरा लग जाता. This is what we call as a reflection theory in one of our relationship mastery courses, right? So money exercise के लिए एक टाइम पे बैठ के पूरा 108 times लिखना है.
नहीं, एक टाइम पे नहीं लिख पाएंगे.
नहीं लिख पाएंगे.
They will get saturated and it will be overwhelming also. So write down जितना आ रहा है, say 10, 12, 15, whatever you can think of. But throughout the day, keep thinking about it. Until tomorrow evening, you should have 108.
Minimum, you
Not
can
sure.
cross, that's not a problem. But 108 times.
Yes, minimum. होना ही चाहिए.
Perfect.
And share the experience, okay?
Very important. Share the experience with us because we really want to know how are you feeling after this humble exercise, after this humility exercise towards
Yes.
money. And yes, if you want some of your friends to feel humble about money and you want them to do this exercise too, share this video with minimum 3 friends of yours. If you have no one to share with, and if you want YouTube to share it, give it the thumbs up sign, because when you like a video, YouTube understands that this is a good video to share with more
Yes.
people on your behalf. And hey, to get intimation for the next challenge by email from YouTube, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Immediately after that, you'll see a bell icon. Click on the bell icon. I'll see you soon in the next challenge where you're going to learn how to attract more money in your life. See you soon.